How to open a Charles Schwab checking account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit Charles Schwab's website and navigate to the Schwab Bank High Yield Investor Checking Account. Select Open an Account to start the application process. Choose to open both a checking and brokerage account, they are linked. Enter your personal information, including your social security number and contact details. Provide employment and financial details as requested. Verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Link an external bank account to fund your new account, if you want to start with an initial deposit. Submit the application and wait a few business days for approval. Set up online banking and activate your debit card when it arrives to start using your account. You'll enjoy perks like no monthly fees, unlimited ATM fee reimbursements, and seamless brokerage integration. Thanks for watching.